All right, hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today we are working with a U part today. So going straight into this video, I'm just gonna section my hair off. I wanted to do a little bit more hair than normal, so I have a little bit over an inch of leave out in the middle, and then I'm gonna leave just the smallest amount on the sides. Typically when it comes to U parts, I never take the sides out, but my goal for this look was to make it as natural as possible. So sides are out today. So this unit is from Unice Hair. This is their U-part body wave, I believe in 24 inches. But just in case I have that wrong, make sure you check the description box. All the information on this video, everything that I use, the hair that I'm wearing is down below. So if you are not a lace front kind of girl, U parts, V parts are going to be your best friend. All I'm doing is just taking the combs and just lightly sticking them, making them, you know, as secure as possible onto my natural hair. And then I'm going to be using my big rollers for this. But first, I'm going to run my flat iron through my leave out on, I believe, 315 degrees. My hair has been straightened lately. I have really been trying to give you guys more natural look, less lace front looks, and my hair is kind of taking a beating. So this is probably going to be one of my last like leave out kind of videos for a while. But yeah, just taking this on kind of medium heat. The smoke that you seeing is just the product, my heat protectant that I sprayed. I'm not burning my hair, you guys. And from here, I'm just gonna section my hair in about 6 different sections. I need to get some more of these really big rollers so I can do more. But I kind of just wanted some body, a little bit of curl to this. So that's why I did not straighten the hair first. So I didn't want to take that body wave out. It was already giving me some movement. So I didn't find it necessary basically to flat iron this hair and then curl it. So I'm using my T3 curling iron. I raved about this like last year when I got it. This mug gets hot. It's so good. And then just rolling my hair right afterwards to really set the curl. So I'm just going to do this. I'm just going to repeat this in 6 sections. And I was celebrating Valentine's Day with Darren and Isaiah this day. So I let the curler sit as long as possible. So about 35, 40 minutes, and then did my makeup and took them out. So next I'm going to go in with my gummy edge gel or gel. It's not really like an edge gel, but that's how I use it in my Blue Lagoon jam, you guys. And I'm just going to lay my edges however they just kind of lay because they're already stuck in rollers. I actually find laying them when they're in rollers kind of forces me to do a little less like layage and slayage on my hairline than like doing the absolute most. I don't know how to explain it, but I think it's just because you're just kind of limited. You're not brushing all the way back into your hairline because of the rollers right there. So of course, lay as you please, do as much or as little. I just kind of did the sides right here just a bit, and then I'm just gonna take a silk scarf and lay these babies down. All right, you guys, so finishing up this super simple look, the hair ended up curling and holding really well. I actually wore this unit the next day and didn't even curl it, so just putting that out there. The hair was super soft as well, which is typically what I expect from Unice hair. But a tip if you want to maintain your leave out without having to keep putting heat on it over and over again is one, of course, be careful when you're taking a shower. Really make sure you tie your hair up. And then two, keep a roller in your hair or a flexi rod or something when you sleep at night so that you can just undo it and go. Or a Bantu knot has always worked for me as well. So yeah, just gonna finish up just doing final touches to this style, you guys. I really wanted this look to be kind of effortless, and I really wanted to mimic a sew-in, but a very natural kind of sew-in. So that's why you don't see hard edges. Like the hair is very wispy and just very lightweight. It has some movement. I was really just thinking about, if the wind is blowing, how do I want to look? How do I want my hair to look if I'm outside, hanging out at the beach, on vacation, something along those lines. How do I want my hair to look? And this is what I came up with. So that's why I left the sides out, so you can always pin the sides back if you want to. You've got some options as far as styling your hair. So sometimes keeping it simple is key to a great look, you guys. So I just simply added a little bit of oil to my leave out, combed it through a bit, added some layers like you saw, and that was really it for this look. So I hope you enjoyed it. Of course, everything will be down below in the description box for you. Let me know if you guys have any questions or comments, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.